All right.
All right, coach. Tough one, tough loss. I know this must hurt, but I mean, you still have a chance of making amends. How did you see the encounter?
Well, it was a tactical game. It's the defending champion. Very, very good team. They have some quality players who are playing Premier League. Some who have won the Dakar Cup last year. I think all of those players. So it's a very good team. We had a plan. It worked for 90 plus minutes, and just a little lapse in concentration, and we conceded the last goal. And that's how it ended.
What's it gonna take for you to make it through to join Garvey to move on?
The performance that is going to take maybe is even more than this today, because the next game we have the Lights and Fear, and Fear is a sleeping giant. We have won many titles, even though it's a long time ago, but it still counts. And they have a quality team. They have matched up with Garvey in quite a few of the games. They were unfortunate, but we will have to regroup. The boys are really down at this moment mentally, so we have to really get them back around so that we can move on to the next game, which is a very tough encounter against Kemsil. At Kemsil, it's never easy to play there, but we're going to go there and we're going to give it our best. If they go out there and play as how they play today and we lost and we lose, I am really satisfied with the team because they would have done their best.
What will you say about your team performance today? How pleased are you with the team performance? As an outsider, as a neutral, I really enjoyed the game. I personally thought you guys would have nicked it at a lot of stages, but that's how football is. How pleased are you with this performance?
I'm very satisfied, as I said before. I couldn't ask any more from the boys. You're not going to play 90 minutes, and I said 90 plus minutes, and do overlap some point in time in the game. It's either going to happen early, late, midway, or at the end. And for today, the lapse in concentration really came at the end, and it really cost us. It's a tough loss, but we have a very good program, very good coaching staff. We have a good management team. The school is with the team, and we have the program that we have is really a program for the future. So we're really looking to the future, and then Kemsil is really next, so we're really focusing on them
for the
near future.
All right, Coach Clowsen, and thank you again, and see you guys next year.